Oh, hey, honey, come check this out. I just got something in the mail. What we got here? I know what it is, but figure I do another unboxing. And this is 2026 Hodgdon's annual manual for reloading. Yeah. So every year I subscribe of getting the Hodgdon's annual manual because I do obviously reload for my precision rifles. And I would highly recommend this for especially new reloaders or even experienced reloaders. And I'm sure, a lot of you out there that reload subscribe to this. It's yes, you want to get your books and, the Burger editions, the Hornady editions, so on and so forth. A little bit more pricey, and also before they publish one, it usually takes, a little longer, more than a year or sometimes a few years before they collect any information, because publishing hardbound books is not the easiest thing, I'm sure. But one thing I do love about Hodgdon is every year they produce what we call the annual manual, or the Hodgdon's annual manual 2026 for reloading. And what you're going to get for this is all the current stuff that took place in 2025, all the new releases of powders. They got great articles in here to guide and help people with reloading. A lot of advertising with new products, so on and so forth. And what I do like about Hodgdon is they also list most of the powders, not just theirs. So that's good stuff. But hold on, let me put this trash away, and we can get a kind of a view of the. It's a magazine, really, but it's very informational, tremendously informational. And the cost we paid to get to Hawaii was what, $20, I think, $20.60. What's in it is, it's like a regular magazine. You're going to have your advertising, all this different stuff, obviously. What I do really like about this is the burn rate charts. So, actually, I'm probably going to post one up here to get a better example, but let me see if I can find it. It should be in here. It's usually right before all the powders. There we go. Yep, just as I thought. So this relative burn rates, this is always, for most reloaders, we're always going to be looking at this. Starting from, the hottest, it burns fast and hot, to the slowest, basically. From 1 to 176 is listed on this chart. Anyone who knows anything, they're going to follow these charts, depending on what you're loading, what cartridges, from pistols all the way to magnum caliber rifles, so on and so forth. Usually followed by, and this is stuff I kind of like, that they talk about all these different powders, that's listed. It gives a description of, the type of powder, this, that, and the other thing, and all the little specifics that the powders are designed to do. And of course, they got IMR in here, Winchester, accurate, so that's really good. So if you're looking at powders, finding the right recipes, ram shot, and they also have, which a lot of people reference to, so when you get a reference, when you building a recipe, to find that right tuned quote unquote recipe for your reloading cartridges for your specific purpose or application, they have almost all the calibers that's known, especially the popular ones, and they have data, up-to-date data on it, from stuff that we need to know, what's the length of the barrel, twist rate, so on and so forth. And they go down with the powders and give you the amount of grains you're going to put in general speeds, pressure, all that good stuff. Because reloading requires some specifics. Safety is paramount. Always remember that. Safety is paramount. And so I bring all this up just to say, just for educational purposes, but this definitely helps you with some guides, a guided way to start reloading, so on and so forth. So I like to share that. I found the annual manual to be very helpful, very informative, and what I really like about it is it doesn't, cost an arm and a leg to get this. Every year they come out with this, and I highly, highly, highly recommend it. It gives such great information. I am not sponsored by Hodgdon or anybody else. I wish I was, but I'm not. And again, this is for educational purposes. And please be safe whatever you do when handling firearms. That being said, that's what I wanted to share on this particular unboxing. You know what came in the mail. I'm a nerd about this kind of stuff. Good stuff. Highly recommend it, guys. Again, Hodgdon's 2026 annual manual for reloading, and for guys that's reloading, or even if you're not reloading and interested in getting into reloading, highly recommend this literature to go ahead and start learning things. There's an old saying: readers are leaders. So that being said, create your libraries. Again, highly recommend this. Good stuff. I always get this every year, and it really helps my process of reloading.
So, honey.
Yes, babe.
What is that?
Aha, you noticed that. All right. Well, folks, I got, the custom rifle I talked about, and I think my last previous videos. Finally got back from the shop, from my riflesmith. And so I got it covered, kind of top secret right now, but I'm going to go ahead on the very next video, do the unveiling. As I promised in a video or two earlier, I'm going to start a series. So why not start a little series on what I do, why and how and the parts, and, explain and kind of give some information on all these fantastic things here that's under here. I'll surprise everyone when I unveil it. On a custom rifle, precision rifle, and you guys are going to be able to see me go through the process of putting it together, and try to do my best to explain everything, and actually my version, quote unquote, of a break-in barrel process, which is a little different what people think, and I'll get into that later, and all the parts and the goodness of seeing a rifle and breaking it in and taking it out the distance.
Spotter ready.
Shooter ready.
Send it.
I'll see you in the very next video.